welcome back. This is part 2. Here we go. Series part 2. Okay. So, we were given in the problem 85.4 yards in how many minutes?
5 minutes.
Here. Good. Everyone's paying attention. Woohoo!
Yeah.
Ready, Matt? Okay, good. All right. So we knew that minutes was in the denominator bottom here, right? So therefore we had to put minutes in the numerator. Okay, so this is really important that you have this. Do you have a pencil? Uh-oh. All right, so here we are. So we did minutes on denominator, minutes on numerator. Hey, opposite so that they cancel, right? Pay attention. All right, then we've got yards in the numerator here, so that means yards must go in the
Denominator.
right. And we have to have these matching, right? Time over time, so that it's a conversion ratio, and length over length, which is a conversion ratio. All right, any questions about how we set this up? No? Okay, remember, if you had to have this like 1.094, I would tell you on the test. You don't have to have that memorized. Right? That would be just mean, wouldn't it?
Yes.
Mean. Are you okay, man? Awesome. Okay, so now, what do we do now?
Alright.
We just multiply across numerators, right? Oh, well, yeah, you were skipping ahead, right? So we multiply, and all we have to do is go 85.4 times 1 times 1. And then the bottom is, denominators is 5 times 60 times 1.094. And what do we get? I don't know. Anybody have it? 328.2. I think that's correct. Yep. All right, and then very, very last step. Anybody?
Divide.
Yeah, you divide numerator divided by
Can I
denominator.
get points?
Yeah, but they need to log in.
Hurry up, log in.
Hurry up. Why don't you say please?
Yeah, say please.
Oh, he did say please. He just
No,
said
he
hurry up and then.
No, he didn't.
Yeah.
All right. So what happens when we divide that?
You get the answer.
Zoe,
Which
you
is?
me up.
85.4 over.
3 point what? Oh no. You have to divide 85.4 divided by 328.2. That would be something different. It wouldn't be 3 points.
Alright, 0.2602.
Wait, Kelly.
Meters per second. Yep. That's it. And remember, I'm going to have this 4 points. Only 1 point is the answer. So if you did not show the steps, that was what we were trying to teach you for the steps. You have to have the steps correct. Alright? So if you need to study this problem a bunch of times, hey, that's cool. YouTube is still free. Alright. Number 11. Any questions before we move on? For these types of problems, you want to draw a picture. See, just like the problem-solving strategies right back there, where's draw a picture? It's way on the top right of our Trailblazer social contract. Everybody see it in the back? Draw a picture. All right, so here, please write this down. So we're going to have 2 triangles that are casting the same shadow, so they're going to be the same shape, but one of them is going to be bigger than the other. Doesn't really matter how much bigger we make it, but we need to label it right. So 6-foot person, where does that 6 go?
On the left.
The smaller or bigger? Well, it's going to be a person and a flagpole. So the person's not as tall as the flagpole, right? So the height goes right here for the person. And how big is the shadow?
Pretty big.
2 feet. All right? How long is the shadow for the flagpole?
10.
you need to write down the right there. Hey, now that we made the picture, this is super easy. Look, how many times bigger is the left triangle?
5.
Times 5. So the answer is 30. So how tall is the flagpole? 30 feet. Please don't talk.
Oh, yes.
We're almost done. We're almost done. So here's 20 and 16, 30 and x. So that's exactly how we set up our proportion.
Plus 10.
So 20 over 30 equals 16 over x. Now you don't want to think about plus 10 because it's a fraction. It's a ratio. So can we reduce? Of course we can. So it's 2/3 actually. Hey, now we can use the easy method. See, reducing is awesome. Okay, what's the answer?
24.
Yeah, so x
I knew that.
equals 24.
But I
Yes.
did something else.
So here though, real quick, we're gonna finish this up. So when we have triangles that are the same shape, right? The angles are exactly the same. See how this is 37, 37? Okay. Well, 53, they're asking you for this. So what's the measure of angle G? You're right, 53. Okay, if they're the same shape, they're the same measure.